So today we're on the Uniden 100 and it was a bit of a tired set, and if you looked at the repair video then we had to change the reference crystal. It's had a complete recap, and what else did we do? Anyway, I've given the bloke a microphone. We've got this, which it's a coffin mic, would have come with these, but it's badged TriStar, and they were an export Cybernet radio, which none of which are legal. So this is just something that's come in must have come in a box of tat. So I've wired it for the customer because the only mic he'd got was an echo mic, and we really don't want echo mics out there, do we? So I've not heard anything on 19, but then these sets aren't as sensitive as most of the others that we see, and that's why they got a good reputation for bleed over, I expect. So like we've been doing recently, I'll go over to extension speaker after the first contact. It's doing a full 4 watts, and we managed to get 0.82 of a microvolt out of it for 10 decibel cyanide, which is better than the limit spec of 1 microvolt. For 12 dB cyanide it's 1 microvolt. So they're not that hot, but they work well. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm recording.
You'll roger that.
Right, we'll plug in the extension speaker. If I can see what socket it goes in.
Right, we've come to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Right, we're now passing Lancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Lancaster service station. Are they still open?
Negative.
Roger.
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
And at this point we'll unplug the extension speaker and go back to the internal speaker. We tested the public address earlier, and disappointingly the volume control has no effect on this type of set. There are 1 or 2 sets which don't do that, so it's annoying when you can't adjust the volume of your public address output.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie, now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Uniden Uniace 100 from 1981, and it's doing a full 4 watts over.
Roger that, all received.
Roger. Oh, that was all right.
Right, we're now going over Wilson Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going round Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger that.
So that's the 3 mile point.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. That's the 4 mile point. We've also had another parcel from mystery benefactor Alan. He says this is the final parcel, and there's a Midlands 77805 porter pack complete with mic and aerial, which is a very valuable gift. Thank you very much indeed, Alan. We'll be featuring that. There's a preamplifier which will be interesting to test on the test equipment, and there's a Midlands 77104 UK, so that's some more interesting stuff and some other bits and pieces. So we'll be going through that in due course.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn. That's the 5 mile point. That's usually our worst one, surrounded by trees. It's coming through very well.
Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie, now going over North Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, Roger, got you going over Rossby Level Crossing. Is that petrol station still open?
Yep, Roger. It's, I think it's the same as yesterday, 167.7 on 182.9. Well, not yesterday, but the other day. Anyway.
Roger, that's Roger Diddley Dodger. Okay, thanks for the test.
Yep, no problem. 10-10.
10-10. Well, his cold sounds a bit better, doesn't it? And luckily he's not giving it me so far, touch wood. Touch his head. Right, well, we'll test that through to our base station. I'm also going to test it with the standard mic, because this is the mic I'm giving the customer, the coffin mic. And then we'll try it with the standard mic, and we'll see how they differ on that test, because I'm always interested. Because these sets have can be on the bassy end of things.
Tango 21, testing the Uniden Uniace 100 into our Harrier CBHQ base station using the coffin mic that I'm giving the customer. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'll swap it for our standard mic and we'll just see what that sounds like. Tango 21, testing the Uniace 100 with the standard replacement mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's over. Thanks for watching.